Albinism by Austin Stanley and Zachary Bacher.
Description. Albinism is a disorder inherited at birth where you lack a pigment called melanin, which can cause you to have no pigment in your hair, eyes, or skin, or a combination of them. In this picture below is an organism with albinism.
Odds of being affected. Around 18,000 people in the United States have albinism. Albinism affects people in all races. The odds of getting this disorder is 1 in 1,200, even though it is more commonly in males.
Inheritance pattern. The inheritance pattern of this disorder is recessive. In other words, both parents have to have the gene in order for the offspring to have the trait or gene. Here is the inheritance pattern below in this picture.
Mutation. The defect is a mutation in which prevents the making of enzyme 3 of the tyrosine gene in chromosome 11, which results in the failure to produce or synthesize melanin.
Affected groups. 90% of all people with albinism are males. Albinism affects people in all races.
Signs and symptoms. Because of the total lack of pigment called melanin, people with albinism may have these symptoms: very pale skin, which is more prone to skin cancer, white hair, lighter color eyes, or even reddish color, and some people have vision problems.
Tests. Blood tests can be done to decide the type of albinism, but there are no tests that can identify all mutations. There are tests to help determine if the offspring will have albinism. Also, you can normally tell that a person has albinism mainly because of their physical features.
Treatments. Sunscreen, because this disorder deprives you of melanin, disallowing you to tan, therefore increasing your risk of skin cancer. From being exposed to the sun, also sunglasses for those with visual problems due to albinism, and if it is a severe visual problem, eye surgery might be required.
Prognosis. This can impair your vision from birth and later in life. If exposed to too much sun, it can cause skin cancer. Albinism can cause major eye and sight problems in life. Also, albinism will not kill you, but will cause many inconveniences later in life.
Sources.